Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter 2020 Ford Escape. Open the glove box and remove the stops to access the filter housing immediately. Gently detach the housing cover clips and slide the old filter out straight to avoid debris falling into the duct. Inspect the filter for dust, leaves, or mold, and replace it with the new filter oriented to the airflow arrow. Reassemble. Begin by lowering the glove box and pressing the side stops to fold it down fully. Locate the filter housing cover behind the glove box and depress the retaining tabs to unclip it carefully. Pull the old filter straight out, keeping it level to avoid spilling trapped dust and leaves into the duct. Inspect the cavity and wipe with a clean cloth if needed before installing the replacement filter correctly. Check the airflow arrow printed on the new filter and align it toward the HVAC blower inlet. Slide the filter straight into the housing until it seats snugly and the pleats are not compressed. Reinstall the housing cover by snapping the tabs back in and return the glove box to its normal position, re-engaging the side stops. Start the blower to confirm improved airflow and reduced odors from the vents.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.